Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can use Artistly if you are Artistly users on how to create images for your comic book. And I'm also going to show you if you're using ChatGPT images to create your comic storybook. So this is the storybook that I created. Here I use ChatGPT just like this. You will see. This is how it looks like. And I choose ChatGPT to use these images into my comic book, but you can also use Artistly if you want to. So I'm gonna show you guys in this video the difference of using Artistly and at the same time using ChatGPT, so then you can make a decision on which application or which apps or AI that you want to use to create images like this. Alright, so before we go to my computer, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and most especially to subscribe to this channel so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so now guys, we are here in ChatGPT and I'm going to show you guys how you can create a comic book using Artistly to create images, and then we're gonna go back to ChatGPT to create those speech bubbles that we cannot get inside of Artistly. Sometimes we do like this. I'm gonna show you guys. Sometimes we do like this, but some of the spellings, some of the words are incorrect, so it's hard for me to fix it. So what I did is just to get an image and then bring back to ChatGPT to insert those speech bubbles. Okay, so now we're going back to ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT to create a short comic about cats. So my character here is Cat, and my story is all about a cat in the pool. All right, so now here is our panel 1 and here is the prompt, and I asked it to do the with two speech bubbles, and if I got the right speech bubbles, then I might use it. But if I get a wrong text or wrong spelling, I'm just gonna use a ChatGPT to create it for me. So here is the panel 1 final prompt. So I'm just gonna copy this one and go to Artistly, and from here guys, you're going to click the AI art illustrator, and here select your style. So whatever style you want, you can do it, and I'm going to choose the comic book illustrator, and here I'm going to paste the prompt. Okay, so I'm going to make 4, and here is the size or dimension of your book. If you want your book to be like 8.5 by 8.5, then you just 1 by 1. So I think I just wanna size it to 2 by 3, and then I'm going to generate image. All right, so as you see guys, here is the difference. This is what I'm talking about. When we use Artistly to both like speech bubbles, sometimes they're giving us the wrong spelling. You don't like this one. Let's see, all of these there's something wrong. So what I'm gonna do here guys, I'm not gonna use Artistly for speech bubble. All I need is the image. So I'm going back to ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to rewrite the prompt. Okay, without speech bubble. And there you go. So what we're gonna do here guys is we're just going to copy this one, and we're going back to Artistly and click AI Art Illustrator, select your style, and then I'm going to paste here the prompt. I'm gonna size this to 2 by 3 and make a 4 quantity, so I have a choice, and let's create an image. All right, so now there you go guys, no more speech bubble. All you're gonna do is just to choose the image that you want. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one and I'm just gonna download it. All right, so now we're going back to ChatGPT, and I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to add the speech bubble. So I'm just gonna click the plus button and upload the one that we just created. Okay, so now here is the image, and then I'm gonna ask to add the speech bubble for panel 1. All right, so now as you see, guys, yes, my 5 minutes vacation. Let's see how long this lasts. All right, so this is how you can compare if you use this one instead of ChatGPT.